In 2026, the tech landscape has largely settled into a rhythm of built-in obsolescence. Most consumer electronics are designed with a gentle nudge towards their replacement, a disposable ethos baked into the silicon. But occasionally, a device emerges that defies this pattern, a piece of engineering that reminds you of a time when products were built to last, to serve, to truly perform. The JBL PartyBox Encore Essential 2 is one such anomaly. It's not merely a party speaker, it's a strategic asset for those who value their leisure time as highly as their work. Consider the notion of efficiency leakage, not just in your daily operations, but in your downtime. The moments of frustration, the interruptions, they add up. With up to 15 hours of playtime, this unit drastically reduces the mental overhead of constant recharging. Imagine that. A full 3 workdays worth of continuous audio on a single charge. If that prevents even one 20-minute interruption a week to find an outlet, over a year, you've clawed back over 17 hours of your precious, uninterrupted time. That is the true value here, not merely a spec sheet number, but minutes gained, hours reclaimed. When you first engage with it, the physical presence of the PartyBox Encore Essential 2 is undeniable. It carries a reassuring heft, weighing in at a solid 15 pounds. This isn't some hollow, ephemeral plastic shell. You feel the substance of its 14.5 inches of length and 13 inches of depth, a density that speaks to industrial-grade components and robust internal architecture. That weight, that substantial feel, isn't accidental. It's a purposeful choice, an integrated heatsink designed for thermal dissipation, ensuring that even when the AI sound boost is pushing those powerful woofers and silk dome tweeters to their limit, your audio remains crystal clear, distortion-free. This is zero-flex engineering, built to maintain integrity, not to bow to the rigors of spontaneous use. Now, that considerable mass, that unapologetic presence, might be perceived as a strategic flaw by those accustomed to flimsy, mass-market alternatives. Indeed, it is heavier than many of its counterparts. But for the discerning professional, that weight is the very embodiment of its ruggedness, the thermal ballast that prevents your carefully crafted atmosphere from throttling, ensuring peak performance without compromise. It's a deliberate trade-off, prioritizing unwavering stability and pristine sound quality over superficial portability. This isn't just about sound, it's about control and seamless integration. The JBL PartyBox app allows you to manage music, EQ, and light shows remotely, eliminating the need to hover over the speaker. You gain back those small moments, those minutes not spent tethered to a device, preventing another layer of efficiency leakage. The IPX4 Splash Proof rating means accidental spills become a non-event, not a catastrophic disruption. And when a larger gathering calls, the Auracast multi-speaker connection offers effortless expansion, removing the friction of complex setups or unreliable pairing. The global supply chains in 2026 ensure that inventory levels and street prices remain fluid, changing with a frequency that demands a strategic check rather than a casual glance. This is a considered acquisition, not an impulse buy. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.